Right. Welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right. So today I want to teach you a very nice drop 2 movement. I'll be doing that in the key of F. So we're going to do it on this song by Sumisola. I think the song was actually by what's it called? Apostle Reverend Lawrence Oyo, right? But Sumisola really did a lot of justice to the song. So this song that goes my daddy, my daddy. Let me add strings because your baby is singing. Listen, how we're singing and dancing for. Now you do something like this. Sanity. So then play that without the piano sound. So my daddy, 6. I'm in the key of F. So I'm showing you first, then I'll teach. Your baby is singing, right? 4. I'll be singing 1. Then you do Sally. So basically you can do this for any song that goes from 1 and then you are going to 5. So you can always do something like that. So you can always do that. So I'm going to show you this drop 2 voice. If you don't know what drop 2 is, you should put that in the comment section. Right, but before I show you this, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, I don't know what you are still waiting for, but there's every chance that you are just watching this channel for the very first time. Okay, so you can see the flyer on the screen. It is actually a course where I spent over 2 hours teaching all those topics. This will save you over 5 years. 5 years stress of learning. Grab that course now. It is only 7,500 naira for people in Nigeria and then $12 for people abroad. The price might go up very soon. We actually got there. We might also move higher. So you should get your copy now. How to get your copy? Go to the about section of this channel. You'll see my seller link. Click it. It will take you to my seller store. You'll see the intermediate piano course, ultimate intermediate piano course, anything, just see. You'll see this flyer on that seller. Make sure you buy your copy right away. All right, God bless you. So let's get to the lesson of today. Okay, so it goes like this. So what are we doing here? If you're watching it, I already guess you already understand our drop 2. So the movement is just going from 2, 4, 6, 1, then to 5. So let me just call out the notes and not waste time. So I will just call out the notes. You write it and learn it. Right. So people who used to complain that they didn't teach, I pray they are watching to this aspect. Where if they watch to this part of the video, they will be learning. But most of them, I guess, they just. And it's very bad when you're watching tutorial and you just trip off at the very first 10, 20, 30 seconds. Most times you miss a lot when the video is actually 6 minutes, 7 minutes. All right. So let's go. So what am I doing here? So I was doing. Now, if you watch the original video, you will see that they did something like this there. So let me show you that very fast. So I'll just call out the notes. There are 2. I'll give you the simple one. So the simple one is on the left we have a G. On the right we have a D and B flat. So that's the first one. The second move is you should be writing. The second move is B flat on the left. On the right you have a F and A. So F and A, that's the second move. So the third one is D on the left, B flat and F on the right. So then the second to last one goes like this. So the next one we have a F on the left. On the right I have a C, E and A. Then 5, which is on my left. Now I have I'm on the 5 chord now, so I'm holding C and E on the left. On the right I have a G, C, G, C, right. So together we have you can slow this E flat to the F. So let's go. My daddy, your baby is singing. Woo. I'll be singing and dancing. So and then you can do the arpeggio. All right. So in case F is not your key, you should watch the one I'll do tomorrow, because I'll do this day by day. I'll do in F sharp, I'll do in C. So we're going to stop this one now. So if you've not gotten the intermediate piano course, you should go to the seller store now and get your copy, or chat me up to buy it directly from me. You already know the price. I mentioned it in the video. Chat me up to buy it directly from me. My WhatsApp contact is on the channel homepage of this channel. God bless you. Bye.